guys, it's Chantel with WildBerry Quilting, and I've got the new labels from Sweetwater. So let's see what they look like this month. Now, these are the labels for March. So the ones for spring, well, this is all spring, but the ones for February were beautiful. I love the pinks and the hearts and stuff. So I can't wait to see what they've got for us this month. Oh, they are very, very springy and beautiful. These would be perfect for a baby quilt, I think, especially this one. They're also very unisex, I think, too. So you could put them for any baby. I think they'd be perfect. Thank you so much for being here. Please remember to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.